What's up guys, Chris Ramsay here, and I've just finished my very first At the Table experience. So among the things that I've taught, you're going to learn my own version of a voodoo card, which floors magicians and laymen alike, where their sign selection is burnt and torn. What if the card that you signed was affected by your choices? Hold on, get a shot of that. So in here, hold on. Your signed card. I'm going to teach you a very visual sandwich trick. Also a trick where you can force any card to two spectators, seemingly impossible in very, very fair conditions. It wasn't the ace, was it? It was the ace. And you were thinking of a black card? A red card, right? It was a heart. The ace of hearts, and you were thinking of the king of spades. Yep. Spades. There you go, right? Pretty cool. Right? We've also talked about performance insecurities and what to do when approaching an audience. How do you approach them? What do you do to break the ice? And also, we discuss an artist or a performer's vulnerability, which I think is very, very important. And finally, I think you guys will get a sneak peek at the Memento Mori playing cards. So if you've been interested in seeing them, here's your chance. That and much, much more. Lots of shenanigans. So over a dozen effects, a lot of fun. Hope you guys enjoy.